Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So we are currently in the beginning of July, and I wanted to bring you along and show you my July garden. So let's head into the backyard garden and see what's growing. Friends, here we are in this beautiful backyard garden. Everything has grown up so much in the past month. All the rain that we've gotten, the warmer weather, this garden has exploded with all kinds of different fruits and vegetables. So let me take you along and show you everything that I have growing. Here I have my perennial bed. You can see my strawberries are doing really well. Got lots of strawberries in here. The marigolds that I planted are exploding. These are cosmos. I've got some flowers that should be blooming on here pretty soon. And then look at all these onions. I've got my zinnias. And of course the asparagus. I've got all my mint growing up. And here I've got some holy basil that transplanted itself right there. And here we've got one of our cosmos that have already started blooming. Just for a quick comparison, I am 5'7.5", 5'8", and this is almost as tall as me. This one right here is about taller than me. Look at how big these onions are getting. These are the candy onions, and I should be able to pull these very soon. That's huge. This is the best my onions have ever done. All right, then here are all of my tomatoes. These two rows right here, all the way back, these are my Amish paste tomatoes, and they are loaded down with tomatoes. This whole row are my Roma tomatoes, and they're also loaded down with tomatoes. Next, I have a whole row of sweet 100s. Look at these clusters. They're beautiful. These are amazing tomatoes. Once they ripen, they're so good. And look I've already got some that are starting to blush. I'd say just another week or so and I'll be able to start harvesting some of these sweet 100 tomatoes. I absolutely love the sweet 100s. Those are great for snacking. Now this is my first year growing these ones. These are the Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes. And these are gonna be like a purplish color. And I've got 2 of those. So I'm excited to try these. Purple is my absolute favorite color. So anytime I can get something that's gonna be purple, I'm gonna get it. This one lost its label, so I don't know what it is, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be another Amish paste, which is great for my canning of tomato sauce, salsa, anything that needs tomatoes. Next, I have my row of squashes. It goes all the way down. These first 4 are my crooked neck summer squashes. And you can see they're starting to put on some blooms and some fruits. And right here, I've got my okra, and it looks like I have an okra that's ready to be picked. That one, and that one. And then here I have a zucchini and another zucchini. And look at that. I've got my first zucchini that I can harvest. Altogether, I have 17 tomato plants that I get to harvest from this year. Now on to my peppers. Let me show you how they're doing. These are my jalapenos. So these are non-spicy jalapenos. I've got 2 of these, and I've got some jalapenos already on here ready to harvest. Here I've got my orange bell pepper, and it's got a few bell peppers on it starting. Looking really good and healthy. Here I have some more bell peppers. These are just the California Wonders. And then this one is going to be a red bell pepper. And I've got 2 of the sweet banana peppers. And more California Wonder bell peppers. Now over here in the corner, I have got all of my hot peppers over here. This one's a jalapeno. This is a poblano. This one's also a poblano. These are jalapenos that I got in here. Holy basil that just transplanted itself right there. Some serrano peppers. And you can see I've got some peppers already on here. A couple of blueberries. And this beautiful cucumber that I am training to go up the trellis, which I need to attend to. And just stick them through here, and they come back up. This way I can train it to go up the trellis. Let's see if I have any cucumbers in here. Looks like I got one little cucumber starting over here. But nothing else. Lots of blooms though. And then I've got these 2 beautiful sunflowers. That one is huge. This one is a little bit smaller, but it's gonna have tons of sunflowers all along it on the bottom. It's gonna be really pretty when it starts blooming. And there we go. There is my backyard garden. I'll take you over to the raised beds and I'll show you all my herbs that I have over there. Look at these beautiful marigolds. Some more holy basil. Some sage. This is lemon thyme. More marigolds. And some more volunteer holy basil. I don't think my garlic's gonna do any good. I planted these way too late. And I've got some rosemary. Beautiful rosemary. This was from last year. Basil, so this is sweet basil. Some lavender back here. Some more holy basil. And oregano. Now back here is my grapes. They did not produce anything this year. I have 0 grapes on there. So I'm just gonna let them be, and hopefully next year they'll do a lot better when it comes to getting some grape harvest. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me in the garden today. I hope you enjoyed this video and what I have growing currently in my July garden. Let me know in the comments what you have growing in your July garden. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.